Shanti. Dear friends, here is your beloved friend Virendra. What I have promised to me in my life, to excel in every walk of my life, to become great. Whatever work we do, we should be so sincere and hardworking without putting any confidence in the other. We should persevere. We should never give up. And greatness is not a very difficult thing. As Shakespeare told, don't be afraid of greatness. Some people, some, very good morning, dear friend. Here is your friend Virendra. I promise myself in my life to always strive, always dream big, and at all costs we must succeed towards noble success which caters to the needs of the individuals, bring peace, happiness, prosperity and tranquility in this world. And for this, we have to fill our mind, heart and soul with wonderful ideas, because it is a thought which governs our action. And we should learn from the greatest such people who have achieved a lot in their life. And we should never be fearful or afraid of any greatness, because Shakespeare told, don't be afraid of greatness. Some people are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. Swami Vivekananda also shared that to become great, you should not be afraid. Rather, you should understand that the paths are very difficult and you are moving on the edge of this road. So you have to be very, very careful, cautious, enduring, courageous, bold, energetic, enthusiastic person on this planet. And once we have all these in our life, nothing can prevent us from becoming great. So let's promise that we have to become great and then emulate some of the brilliant ideas which the greats have achieved in their life. Hold on to the ideal. March on. Do not look back upon little mistakes and things. In this battlefield of ours, the dust of mistakes must be raised. Those who are so thick-skinned that they cannot bear the dust, let them get out of the ranks. The way is very difficult. So you have to have lot of courage, lot of will, and never say die attitude in life. Learn everything that is good from others, but bring in it and in your own way absorb it. Do not become duplicate. Do not become others. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually and spiritually, reject it as poison. Again, dear friends, it is the thought. Thought can make us strong. Let the dead past bury its dead. The infinite future is before you. Do not mourningly look at the past. That comes back not in your life. Improve very wisely in your present, because this is ours. And also, go forth in the shadowy future without any fear and with a lion's heart. That can only bring us to the climax of our potential, and we can become great. What I want is muscles of iron and nerves of steel, inside which dwells a mind of the same material as that of which the thunderbolt is made. Dear friends, make your mind very strong, full of faith in you and in the Lord. Believe, confidence, conviction, daring, determination, commitment, persistency, perseverance, patience, the essentials to reach the climax of greatness. And for this, hold the ideal 1,000 times. If you fail 1,000 times, make the attempt once more. Must remember Thomas Alva Edison failed 10,000 times while he was making invention for the electric bulb. You can do the same thing. Failures, defeats, they are temporary. Ultimately, you will be victorious and champion in life. Stand up, be bold, be strong, and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. Take the full responsibility on your own shoulder. Don't blame anybody else for your failures. It is your strong mind, it is your strong character that will alone bring all the glory and greatness on this planet. All the secret of success is to pay as much attention to the means as to the end. Again, Karma Yoga. Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phalesu kadachana ma karm phal hetubhu mate sangu asta karmani. 1 ounce of practice is worth 20,000 tons of big talk. We should not become a talking machine. Fill our minds with few great noble ideas and practice it in life. Practice makes only perfect. And practice and practice and more practice. And that way we improve. We can serve the society, pushing ourselves with a passion, hanging towards the very path which will lead to the greatness. Slaves of this world, slaves of the senses, let us rouse ourselves. There is something higher than this sense life. We should not be after loaves and fishes. We should not be running after the physical world that can bring us lot of things, but nothing can give us peace. Peace comes when we realize spiritual feelings every minute in our life with love, grace and gratitude. If you have faith in all the 330 millions of gods and goddesses, and you will have no faith in yourself, there is no salvation for you. Believe in yourself. You are the embodiment of all power and potential. You are the infinite soul, all energy in you. So I wish, arise, awake, and stop not till your goal of greatness is reached. Be bold, be strong, be committed, be dedicated, be focused, always passionate, persevering with enormous will and tremendous courage. You will be great. Thank you very much for watching the video. Wish you become a great. Thank you indeed.